Hey guys, it's Jessie Lynn Kane and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can keep on watching my videos. If you're returning, then welcome back. Before I start this video, I just want to say that I have met someone and she is amazing. She's a sweetheart. She owns a makeup company called Gourmand Girls. I'll put the link down below. I've been chatting with her and she's super humble. She has been through a lot and I'm really happy for her and how far she's come. I've ordered some of their products and I'm waiting on them to come in. As soon as they do, I'll make sure I film, do a review on them. But in the meantime, I mean, go check them out. You know, her name is Christina and she has been a blessing. I've had a lot that I just needed to get off my chest and she really listened. So I'm really happy to be, you know, supporting her company. So make sure you go check it out. Like I said, I'll put the link in the description and we'll get into the video. If you want to see how I got this look and what products I use, then keep on watching. Alright, for primer we're going in with the Timeless Smoothing Primer from Tarte. I'm really falling in love with this stuff. So this is Sunday night. I actually tried to record this video yesterday. Well, I did. And I ended up completely hating the lighting and everything. So here I am doing it again. Alright, for foundation, I am going in with the Makeup Revolution Fast Base Stick Foundation. And I'm going in with F3. And this is what it looks like. Yesterday was my first time to use this, and let me just say I was completely blown away. Amazing. It's so creamy, it goes on so smooth, it's so easy to blend. It looks a little white at first on me, but it does oxidize a little bit. I'm going in with my Bamboo Airbrush Finish by Tarte. This brush is a really good brush if you haven't tried it yet. Alright, for concealer, I'm going in with the Conceal and Define by Makeup Revolution. And I'm going in with C1. And I'm going to use this to highlight and to prime my eyelids. I'm going to go in with that same Airbrush Finish foundation brush and blend this in. Alright, to set this, I'm going with my Cover FX Translucent and Light setting powder. And I'm going in with my Real Techniques powder brush. I'm just going to put it all over and set it real good. I have really dry skin, and for whatever reason today it's a whole lot worse, so don't mind this dry patch right here. My lips are super dry today. I don't know what's going on. Alright, to bronze the face, I'm going in with my Morphe 142 brush, and I'm going in with the Too Faced Sweetheart Bronzer in Sweet Tea. Contour, I'm going with the Palladio Matte Bronzer. And I'm going in with this brush from the Real Techniques Ready Set Glow Set. Alright, for blush, I'm going in with the Too Faced Sweetheart Blush in Sparkling Bellini. However it's pronounced. It's really cute. And I'm using a brush I got from TJ Maxx. I don't know the brand or anything. I just know it's really good. Really cute. Alright, for highlighter, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy. And I'm using my Morphe M501 brush. Alright, for eyeshadow, I'm going in with the ColourPop Dream Street Kathleen Lights palette. I'm taking a Morphe M441 brush, and I'm going in with this shade right here. Starting my transition with that. So just pop it in the crease. Now I'm going in with that shade right there. I'm putting that in my crease as well. Alright, now I'm going in with a Morphe 518 brush, and I'm going in with that cool tone right there. Not bringing it up as high as I brought up those transition shades. Alright, now I'm going in with my Morphe G13 brush, and I'm going in with this deep turquoise color, and I'm just keeping that on the outer corner. Alright, now I'm taking this brush I got from Tarte set, just a blending brush, and just kind of blending out the edges on that. Alright, now I'm going in with my concealer and a concealer brush, and just kind of putting that on the lid in the corner, inner corner some. Alright, now I'm going in with a cream shadow brush, and I'm going in with that color right there. And just putting that on top of that. Now I'm going back in with that Tarte brush, and just blending out. Alright, now off camera I'm going to do my eyebrows real quick, just with the Goof Proof brow pencil and number 3 from Benefit. And I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Eyeliner on my lower lash, or my lower waterline, I'm going to go in with the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil. Alright, now for mascara, I'm going in with the Tarte Tarteist. Alright, I'm going to go in with a double coat on the top lashes. Alright, for lipstick, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Paints in Spicy Blush. Alright, for setting spray, I'm going with my MAC Prime and Prep. Alright, I hope you guys liked my video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and you click the subscribe button. And I'll see you next time.